these brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die.
Good morning,
My
everyone.
day starts with puja because it gives me a peaceful feeling and positive energy. I always feel that when we begin our day with a calm mind and gratitude, the whole day feels a little better. Spending a few quiet moments with God helps me forget my worries and focus on the present moment. I believe that we don't need anything big to feel peaceful. Sometimes a few moments of prayer are enough to make our heart feel light and happy. After finishing my puja, I started my daily household work. Every day there are many small things to do at home. Sometimes the work feels tiring, but I try to do everything with a positive mind. I believe that our daily responsibilities are also a part of our life journey. We may not notice it, but even these simple routines teach us patience, discipline, and responsibility. So I try to enjoy my work instead of thinking about how much work is still left. While doing my work, I took a little break and looked outside my window. I really enjoy watching nature. The sky, the clouds, the trees, and the fresh air always make me feel relaxed. Sometimes we are so busy with our daily lives that we forget to notice the beautiful things around us. But nature always reminds us to slow down and enjoy the present moment. Even a simple view from a window can bring a smile to our face and give us peaceful feeling. After finishing some of my work, I started preparing lunch. Today I decided to make something special and homemade. I don't always need an elaborate meal to feel happy. I actually enjoy simple homemade food because it feels comforting and satisfying, my dear. Cooking is also a part of my daily routine, and I try to enjoy the process. For me, the best thing about homemade food is not only the taste but also the feeling of making something with love and serving it to our family. Today I made methi paratha for lunch. Methi has a wonderful aroma and I really enjoy adding fresh ingredients to my everyday meals. While cooking, I was thinking about how simple ingredients can create something delicious. We often think that happiness comes from expensive things or special occasions, but I don't think that's always true, my dear. Sometimes cooking a simple meal, sitting peacefully, and enjoying homemade food can also make us feel truly happy and grateful. Along with methi paratha, I also prepared evi guard bhujia. It was a simple meal, but sometimes simple food is the most satisfying, my dear. I believe that we should appreciate the food we have and be thankful for every meal we receive. In our busy lives, we often forget to be grateful for these basic things, but when we start appreciating the little things, we begin to feel happier and more content with our life. Now I am making delicious and healthy methi paratha. First I take a small ball of dough and roll it nicely with a rolling pin. Once the paratha is rolled, I placed it on a hot tawa and cooked it well on both sides. I gently flip it and apply a little oil so it becomes a nicely cooked and crispy. Look, our hot and delicious methi paratha is ready. You can enjoy it with curd of your favorite vegetable curry. Simple food, healthy food, and made with lots of love, my dear. Finally, my lunch was ready after spending some time in the kitchen. It always feels nice to sit down and enjoy the food we have prepared. Today was just an ordinary lunch, but I believe that ordinary moments can also be special. We don't need a perfect life to be happy. We just need to learn how to appreciate the life we already have. A peaceful home, simple food, and grateful heart can bring so much happiness, my dear. After completing my work, I went out for an evening walk. I really enjoy walking because it gives me some time to relax and refresh my mind. Sometimes we need to step away from our daily routine and spend a little time with ourselves. An evening walk may seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference to our mood. I like to observe my surroundings, enjoy the fresh air, and simple walk without thinking too much about anything. When I started my walk, the weather was quite pleasant. I thought I would enjoy a peaceful evening walk, but after some time, the weather suddenly changed. The sky became cloudy, and soon I realized that it might rain. This reminded me of life. Sometimes everything seems to be going according to our plan, and suddenly something unexpected happens. We cannot control every situation, my dear, but we can always choose how we respond to it, my dear. This evening made me think about one simple thing. Life is not always going to perfect, my dear, and everything will not always happen according to our plans. But that doesn't mean we should stop enjoying our journey. We should learn to accept the good days as well as the difficult days. Every experience teaches us something. So instead of waiting for the perfect moment, we should learn to enjoy the moment we already have, because sometimes the most beautiful memories come from the most ordinary days. So this was a simple day in my life, starting with puja, followed by household work, cooking, a peaceful lunch, and finally an evening walk in the rain. Nothing extraordinary happened today, but I still feel grateful for this beautiful day. I believe that happiness is not always found in big achievements. Sometimes happiness is hidden in small moments, a peaceful prayer, homemade food, a beautiful view, or the sound of rain. So let's appreciate these little moments and be thankful for the life we have. Thank you for spending this time with me. See you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Hare Krishna to my dear friends.